Welcome back to yet another episode of the How to Launch on Flex83 series. In today's video, we are going to cover how to launch a visual programming tool called NodeRed on Flex83. NodeRed is a visual programming tool used heavily for device simulation and some quick and dirty programming. Let's get started. We'll straight away dive into the Managed Services section on the Flex83 dashboard. In this section, we'll look for NodeRed. It is also available in the category drop-down under Visual Programming. We'll click on Add New. Supply a name. And pick a resource, which in this example would be KSmall. We'll input the address as demo. And add a login password. And then click on Deploy. It will take a few seconds for the tool to be up and running. And now that the tool is running and healthy, we'll see how easy it is to quickly do a simulation and demonstrate how you can publish some data. In future videos, we'll cover how easy it is to create a demonstration flow using NodeRed, which basically simulates a device. So let's dive right into it. We'll input the address and password and it will straight away take us to the interface of NodeRed. To the left of the screen, you will see lots of nodes that are used to do a wide variety of functions. We can write some business logic and even loop in through these. We can write code and functions in JavaScript. You can tie them in logic using looping functions, some delay functions, execute functions on the fly, trigger HTTP calls, host an HTTP endpoint, do some WebSocket programming here, and a lot more. Not only that, but it also has a very wide and strong community from where you can click on Manage Palette and install from all the available nodes that are out there. For example, if we want to install and do something with Azure, we can go here and search for Azure IoT Central. There are a lot of nodes available where you can do some simulation using Azure IoT Hub. Similarly, if you want to do something with AWS, we search for AWS Node, AWS Tools, or AWS IoT, and it also shows you AWS IoT Hub. And there are multiple modules available that can be used to build a nice prototype on this tool. For example, if you want to use SendGrid or Twilio, or any open source, paid tool you can think of, it can be used here. And you can easily demonstrate it using the same. Let's try and do a quick demo. So let's say we want to create a particular MQTT node. We'll show you how easy it is to pick up these nodes from here. For example, we want to publish some MQTT data. We will just pick up these nodes, namely the MQTT node, the function node, and the inject node. These are the most commonly used nodes, and by simply double-clicking, we can configure them. Once you provide the particular details here, the same would be configured and the system would be up and running to send data to the particular broker that is configured. And this was how you can launch your own NodeRed on Flex83. We'll be covering the other part of the node, which is a simulation in detail, in the next video. We hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.